Hey everyone, welcome to my video. In today's video, I'll be talking about and telling you my review about the ilive waterproof speaker. So, it's got a really nice bass, and a few things that I would change about this is instead of having a phone, answer your phone thing, because you can't really hear anybody anyways when you answer it. So I would like to have a skip button so you can skip to the next song. That would be pretty handy on there. Otherwise, I like the build of it and everything. Yes. And it's cool. So, and then this thing, I don't know if it's part of the, if it's like a malfunction or not, but if you listen to a song and you push this button one extra time, let me show you, pick a song. I'll probably fast forward this. I don't know if it's just a glitch from this one or not. Okay, so I'm gonna turn it up.
Therapy renewing essay cleanse.
So this is just a review, and I
might lose my mind.
So here we go.
Waking
So I'm gonna turn it down. Use this turn down button.
all these highs, waiting for the calm down. Walk these streets with me,
And it does that.
I'm doing decently. Just glad that I can
Power off.
I don't know if that's a glitch from this speaker, but other than that part, you don't want to turn it down too much after that. So yeah, that's my review on that. It gets really loud and it frightens the hell out of me, like a jack in a box. So that's just a glitch or malfunction of this. That should be fixed really fast. I like that it's got a nice bass though. Maybe you could hear the bass.
Power on. Bluetooth.
I do not own rights to this
Bluetooth
music.
connected.
That helps.
Power off.
Yeah. And then when it charges, it will charge red, and when it has no color, the light will go off and stuff. And it comes with this. It's good for listening to music while you're taking a shower and all that good stuff. I got this for my Christmas, and I really, really love it. Well, that's my review for the ilive waterproof wireless speaker.